please share his comments and address. Please, Professor Jason.
So again, good afternoon, everyone. I think the first comment I would actually like to remark on is looks at the title of this conference, Promoting Applied Sciences in Pakistan. And I think one of the greatest impacts, to bring back that word impact, that this conference will have is, in fact, it promotes science not only in Pakistan, but between Pakistan and other universities across the world. And I think that's perhaps the most exciting element of this conference. But it's brought us all together at a time when actually it's very difficult to do science. My lab is still closed. But because we can't access our labs, that doesn't necessarily follow, but we can't come up with nice new collaborations and ideas. And I think that is the element of this meeting which I have personally found most impressive. Which then brings me to the next part of my short speech. And I'd like to just share my screen, if I may, with you. I just want to highlight the names and photographs of the organisers of this meeting. I've organised many meetings in my career so far. I've never organised a virtual conference, and I have absolutely no doubt that it requires the same amount of work. But of course, not only the same degree of work, but a different kind of work. It's very difficult actually to organise a meeting and to bring together such a diverse range of academics, including students and postdocs, between multiple different countries virtually at the same time, I think is quite a feat. And just looking at the abstract book, it is really impressive to see the number of people and talks that have taken place over the past couple of days. So I'd like to just note the names of those that have spent an incredible amount of energy organising this meeting. So in no particular order, I'd like to highlight Dr. Mohammed Shahbaz Anwar. So Mohammed is a collaborator of mine. We work very closely together in my group in Cambridge, and I know that he has put in a lot of energy and effort into this meeting. And the fruits are very clear. A brilliant meeting, a fantastic collection of talks, and some really engaging questions. Apologies if I can't pronounce everyone's name properly. Dr. Syed Rizan, Dr. Yarjan Abdel Samad, and Dr. Mohammed Iqbal, also organising the meeting along with Shahbaz. And I thank you all for really taking the time and energy into organising this brilliant meeting. So those are the final remarks I'll make. The only actual final thing I would say, if I may, is I hope this could become perhaps a more regular thing. I think we need more engagement. I'm personally very excited about the research coming out of Pakistan, and I think there are really great opportunities for my group and the UK and Europe, etc., to engage more, to collaborate more with Pakistan. So we need to encourage more of those Pakistan, UK, Europe, etc., US interactions. So that's it from me, and thank you very, very much for inviting me.
Thank you so much, Professor Jason. It was actually, these were very nice words and very encouraging for all of us. It was 1 month. We had like 1 month to organize, and it was hell of a job, but I think all the committee really deserves a lot of applaud. And thank you for showing up today and encouraging us. Hopefully, we are planning next year to have a physical event. So if the things go on, and we hope the pandemic is over very soon, and we will definitely we will send you an invite as well. So we'll gather everyone over there, and that will open new venues.